Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Bigin CRM, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you import or upload your subscriber list or emails into your Bigin CRM? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to import your contacts into Bigin CRM anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that it's pretty common to switch over service providers, and maybe you need to import your subscriber or email list into your Bigin CRM. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Bigin CRM dashboard. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Bigin CRM, and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to go ahead and import or upload your email list, here on the left side, you're going to click on contacts. It looks like a little person. Once you do that, you're going to see all the contacts you have in Bigin CRM. However, in order to import your contact list, here on the top left, there's a green button, contact. Make sure you click on the arrow portion of that button. Once you do that, you'll see a drop down menu, and you want to click here, import contacts. Okay, guys, so here is where you can go ahead and import your contacts. So they do let you know last name is a mandatory field, and they give you the instructions right here on how your list should be formatted. They also let you know it should be XLS, XLSX, or VCF. So make sure it fits these parameters. And what you want to do next is click here on upload, and then grab the file from your desktop. Okay, now it's starting to upload. Okay, next says my file has been uploaded successfully. I'm going to click on next. Okay, next you want to choose, are these going to be new contacts, or are you simply just updating contacts, or are you doing both? For me, these are new contacts, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it here and then click on next. Okay, here you're going to go ahead and map out the different fields. So let's see here. Okay, once you've mapped everything out, click on next here at the bottom right. Okay, so next, if you have more than one user, you're going to go ahead and assign it to somebody in your organization. You can also enter tags. So for example, if the list is everybody who likes Chinese food, you might want to go ahead and tag them as Chinese food. If they are folks that like Mexican food, you might want to go ahead and tag them as Mexican food. That way you can filter out your list in the future. And once you're ready, go ahead and click on finish. Okay, a quick second later, the page refreshes, and you're going to see a pop-up saying that your list is scheduled. So actually you can see this pop-up down here. That was taken care of in about, I don't know, maybe 10 seconds. If you have a huge list though, it's probably going to take longer. So now my contacts are here in contacts. Let me go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so I refreshed, and as you can see, our new contacts are listed here in our Bigin CRM. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to upload or import your subscriber list into your Bigin CRM, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up, or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.